Hello friends, today we are going to speak to you and tell you in this particular video how a small enterprise started very small became very big today because of lot of leadership qualities. Big things start small. It takes a lot of perseverance, patience, discipline to start a business from scratch and grow it to a big company and then make it list on the stock exchanges. In this series of videos, we will cover success stories of many businesses and successful entrepreneurs. In 1968, when Inder Jaisinghani was 15 years old, his father passed away. Inder's mother asked him to quit his studies and take over the family business. The family ran a small hardware and electrical store in Mumbai called Sindh Electric Stores. The store sold fans, lights, switches and wires, etc. Soon, Inder's older brothers Girdhari and Ajay and younger brother Ramesh joined him in the family business to help expand it. Totally 4 brothers. The brothers ran the store and experimented with making wires and cables in Mumbai. In 1983, they started an industrial unit called Polycab to manufacture electrical goods at a large scale in Gujarat. This is the Polycab management team. They set up a Polycab's factory in Halol, Gujarat for manufacturing and processing. PVC insulated wires and cables, copper wires, aluminum wires are the products they are manufacturing now. In the initial days, the capital required for the business was always insufficient. It was a lot of struggle and sacrifices as the brothers built the business. Inder and his brothers' mantra was, money makes money. They plowed back the major share of profits into Polycab. In 2009, the company diversified into the engineering, procurement and construction, which includes the design, supply, execution and commissioning of power distribution and rural electrification projects. In 2014, Polycab started manufacturing electric fans, LED lights, switches, switchgear, solar products and other electrical accessories. Their fast-moving electrical goods products are being used in panels, street lights, floodlights, open area lighting in homes, restaurants, call centers, hotels, retail stores, banks, hospitals, residential colonies, parks, industrial facilities, and offices. These are the various products of Polycab. Today, it has more than 25 manufacturing units having more than 3,500 authorized dealers, distributors, and more than 29 warehouses. It supplies to more than 1,25,000 retail outlets in India. The company has market share of around 12% of the total wires and cables industry in the country. In April 2019, Polycab listed on the stock exchanges at an issue price of Rs 538 in an IPO. Current market price Rs 1,354. 1 year returns 133%. Total return since IPO 151%. Polycab financials. Year ending March 2018, total income or the turnover was 6,834 crores. Profit was 358 crores. Year ending March 2019, 8,049 is the total income and 502 is the net profit. And 2020 March, 8,922 crores and 773 is a net profit. As you can see, the net profits are going up every year. Friends, this was the story of Polycab in a nutshell. Have a look at it and find out good or bad about Polycab before investing. And take your own decision. Do your own fundamental analysis. My dear friends, if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to press the subscribe button and bell icon. And also, my dear friends, if the video is good, press the like button. If the video is good, send it to all your friends so that they too will get motivated to start their own company, or if the company is started, let them also start making it big and go for IPO and expand the horizon and then make it bigger than whatever they think it should be. Friends, if the video is good, in the comment box put good. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.